स्पीकर सर, हांव उबो रावला डिमांडाक सपोर्ट करपाक. स्पीकर सर, स्पीकिंग ऑन डिमांड नंबर 23 होम, I thank Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, who is also the Minister for Home, for providing us recently the police beat post at Baina, which is successfully functioning and ensuring law and order in the locality, especially the Baina beach area. Speaker sir, I would like to congratulate the Goa Police football team has created history by winning the first division football league of GFA. This was for the first time that the Goa Police team has qualified for the Goa Professional League after the establishment of Goa Police. The hard work of the team and the coaching of Sri Sarvan Naik and the timely support of the Goa Police Sports Cell official Srimati Sunita Sawant, SP Sports, Sri Shivaram Vengekar, DSP Sports, and Sri Raya Naik, PI Sports, have encouraged the team to give their best and achieve this milestone. These players are also policemen who, apart from playing and perform duty and are seen alert on any situation of law and order. I congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, as he is also the Home Minister, and request him that the entire team, coaches and officials needs to be honored and appreciated for their achievement. Also, I request the Honorable Chief Minister to assist the team in providing the necessary help required and by getting more professional players to perform better at the next professional league level. Speaker sir, मुद्दाम श्रीयमांक सांगपाक सोदता आमचे मुर्मुगांवचे पुलीस स्टेशन आसा तेजे मातशें अर्जंटली थोडे मेंटेनन्स वर्क आसा ते मातशें जाग्यार घालचे. त्याच प्रमाणे आमचो बायणा आउटपोस्ट आसा तो एक डेलिबिटेटेड कंडिशन आसा तेजेरूय मातशें लक्ष घालपाची गरज आसा आनी रिपेरिंग मेंटेनन्स करपाची गरज आसा. स्पीकर सर, स्पीकिंग ऑन डिमांड नंबर 25 होम गार्ड, there are around 57 home guard volunteers who are completely more than 10 years of voluntary service in the home guard organization. All these home guards volunteers are waiting to get absorbed to the post of police constable in Goa Police after they have answered the qualifying exam. As of now, they have undergone document verification and other required formality by the police department to get to the police. Speaker sir,
तुवें जर रिटर्न आसा तें सगळें म्हाका टेबलाचेर दवर.
स्पीकर सर, PWD चेर उलयतना हांवें ऑलरेडी म्हाका सीएमान
रिटर्न आसा जर जाय तें सगळें टेबलाचेर
सीएमान एश्युरन्स दिल्लेले आसा आमचे जे उदकाक लागून प्रॉब्लम आसा तेजे म्हाका सांगले. स्पीकर सर, तशेंच सिरविजीचो एक आमचो एक मेजर इश्यू आसा आनी तेका हांव म्हाका दिसता आमचे PWD इंजिनियर ते अटेंड करता, बट खंय तरी थोडी फायली जी आसा ती आमची एक्सपेंडिचर सेक्शनाक आनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह एप्रुवलाक लागून उरलेली आसा तेजेर मातशें लक्ष घालपाची गरज आसा. स्पीकर सर, बिल्डिंगाची एक उलयता सर, आमची PWD बिल्डिंग आनी पुलीस क्वॉर्टर्स आसा पळय ती खरी ती बिल्डिंगी म्हणटा ते रावपाची लायकीची ना, ती मोडपाक पावल्या, ती मातशी खंय तरी आमची ती डेमोलिशन करची. ऑलरेडी तेजो रिपोर्ट धाडलेलो आसा डिपार्टमेंटाक, तेजेर मातशें लक्ष घालपाचें. तशेंच MLA लेडीज फंडाचे आमचे मातशें बेगीच्या बेगीन एप्रूव जावचे. PWD लेबर सप्लाय सोसायटी आसा सर, जे लेबर्स आसा तांकां हांव मातशें ऑब्जर्व करता.